good auto gang. Around 1500 on 24s. Looking lovely. It's a quick video. You know, sometimes you get your wheels balanced and it's still shaking and you're trying to figure out why you're still having this shake at low speeds, high speeds. It gets even worse. One of the main things you want to check is tire separation. So I'm gonna take this tire off, but I'm gonna show you how this tire is separated. And it could be the cause of all your issues right here from belt separation. All right, so we'll look at this tire like, oh, it's a perfectly good tire. And even in certain spots, you can't even tell. But once you go to rolling, you see that? Oh my God. And spin it back. Feel my hands smooth. The separated belt. You see how the tire is? The tire being separated like this, it's not gonna roll straight. You see how it wobble like that? And yes, you have a bad ride when you see that. All that. The separated belt, you can't ride that, so you gotta replace that. Yeah, we're rolling on. We're rolling on. No hiccups. I know what's up. We got a new tire installed, balanced. You all mounted up. So, ride right now. New tire balanced up. You got 2 new tires on the front. Yeah. Around 1500.